Okay, now let's quickly jump here. Now we are came here so that we can quickly see what kind of stuff we have done. Can we how we quickly can analyze certain things, and then we actually have to go back, try to do little bit of SQL stuff in one of the our classes, and then we'll come back and try to get the data from the database. Right now we have got data here, so we are going to do little bit of things out here on Tableau quickly. So one thing is we are already added a calculated column, and we want to add one more. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to right click on this one, and I'm going to show you the many options. So now right now I have options here to add to sheet. Okay, if I add to sheet, it's going to be added to the sheet. Okay, and a visual will be shown what could be available, and I can go ahead and in the worksheet, I have option here to clear this is the option which can clean it up. Okay, now I go to the talk time again, and then there is a duplicate rename. If I want to rename them, means whatever measures are there, I would like to rename and then give them the correct name. Hide if I want to hide it. And then the create calculated field is one which thing is we are interested in. Groups, bins, and parameters we will see over a period of time. Convert to discrete. Now what happened, this value is aggregate value. Let's say you wanted to plot it as a column, so then you have to say convert to discrete value. But before you do this, let's duplicate this. So we will duplicate this. So this is time, and we will rename it. So we'll call it time talk as dim. Okay, or we may not be able to convert this. Let's see, for this we are getting option convert to dimension, but if I go here, and it should be convert to discrete. Now once I convert it to discrete, let me plot it here. Discrete values will be shown, but I'm more interested in to convert it into a dimension, so I converted this into a dimension. So let me see, let me clean this off first of all, and let me create this as a dim. Now I'm expecting these discrete values to be shown out here. So this is what I wanted to convert it into a dimension. So that's what I say, if you need them as a dimension, if they are already aggregated, just duplicate them and done it. So this is one of the tricks you can go ahead and have it. So this is what we call measure to dimension converter. Right now this is not a measure, this is right now only a column. So this is numeric column to dimension conversion which is there. But yes, we will be in a situation where we'll create measure and we need dimension. We need to explore those options later. Now right now let me clean this sheet. I am also not interested in this one. So let me right click and still keep on exploring the options. So convert to continuous dimension. Data types we can change if we require, like we have changed already for date in Tableau Prep. Same way we can here. If it is a geographic, then we can convert to automatically convert it into certain stuff which as options are available. Now default properties we can set like aggregation. So by default this is sum. If I want average, I can set it average. So whenever I drag this, it will become average. Now group by, folder, or data source, now these options, and replace references, and all those options are available. Now one thing which I wanted to do here is calculated field, and I'm knowingly click here. At least it is going to give me one field out here. So you remember we created total time there. I'm just going to call it total 1, or let me call it total time 1, and I'm going to show you the difference which has happened when I create a formula here versus I create there. In the prep it is going to come as a source because I already saved it somewhere else, and we have actually exported it to Tableau and also seen it that it do come as a source only. So I'm going to show you one example where we can actually export it to Tableau and see how does it looks like. So we have talk time, we'll add it ring time, plus we will add hold time, plus we will add wrap up time. So all these things we have added, and we got the total time. So now you see this is the difference one, and I can right click and say edit here. Now I duplicated it, sorry for that, and I edit it here, and I can edit the calculations. Now by mistake duplicated it, so I can actually go ahead and delete it out. Okay, and I can save it. Let me save this workbook. It has not been saved till now, so we will save this workbook to the data which we have, and let's go to Tableau and let's save it as class 2 workbook. Okay, so now we have saved it. We can rename it Also, now we know total time. Now we are not interested in total time, but we are interested in percentage of time, which is of the total time. So we again go and say create calculated field. Now I'm going to do it a bit differently, and it's going to become the measure, and I'm going to call it percentage total time. And to make it as a measure, what I'm going to use, I'm going to use certain aggregations and divide by sum of total talk time, total time 1 or total time anything I can use. I want to use one which I bought in, and we can actually add both of them and compare. Okay, now this is the field which I got, percentage to total time. Now you can actually see what kind of properties it has. Default properties using sum, min, max, average, whatever you want, all these things. Convert to discrete, change data type, all these things are available right now. And now what we can do is we can do a quick analysis out here. So we'll try to build up a table and see it out. So let's go ahead and take our customer dimension or something from here. We had this call, which is our main table, and let's drag the company. We have a model where we have these dimensions and all those, and now from our measures, let's drag total time percentage. I'm going to drag it here. So now you can see in terms of percentage I'm getting, then now because we have not multiplied by 100 or marked as a percentage column, we are going to get it like this. So I can quickly go ahead and multiply it by 100. I say edit. There could be various options to do this, but let's star 100. And before we do it, just we have to make sure that it doesn't multiply the value, it just give the precedence to this one. We do it anyway because the divide is first, it should give the precedent to that, but anyway we have to do it. So now where is our worry? This is our worry. Look at only 45%, is the total talk time. So we should go ahead and look at this talk time. What is this talk time is all about? Why it is so less? So let's add the talk time here and also add the total time out here. So it is colored actually. We have to, and let me add the talk time also. Okay, let me remove it from the coloring. Okay, let me drag it simply here. It's already created, so we can edit here, and you can see this very small number out here, and that is why we were getting that kind of percentage. We can actually sort descend and ascend here, and there are certain null values we can see. Other than that, I think we can see simply the values are available, and then we have these things are here, sort ascend and descend. And if you want to swap the row and the column, if we swap, this is how it look like. Okay, so these are few Tableau stuff which we are going to explore in detail right now. We just wanted to show you how quickly you can create a calculated column, and you can also create a measure. So now this is there, and if you open the show me, you will see the kind of visuals which are available, and you can use those visuals. Now some of those visuals, like different kinds of visuals are there, and you can use those. Or I can basically remove the company name, and I will maybe, let's say, where is the country? Drag it back so I can see it country wise. And when it is country wide, I may actually look like, let's see if okay, let's create one more sheet and see if this do detect country. Okay, this is already detecting it as, let's see if it provides us a map visual or not. So I'm just trying to have, if we can have map visual, and it's going to give us some error. I'm expecting that because our country names are not so clean, so it's going to give us error. We have also not cleaned that up, but yes, let's see how many are it is able to detect. So it's going to give some error. Now it is saying 181, and normally I am assuming that it is not able to get anything, otherwise we should have seen something. So our values are not clean. Let's drag the city out here, and does it going to make any difference? Let me remove. Now there are greater than 1k unknowns. Okay, there are only 2 known values, so it's required a lot of cleanup in these values if you wanted to use it up. So we are not going to enter into that one. We will show you when we are going to next time when we come back, we'll show how we can correct it. So these are various things which you can do around here. There are various options, and then if you needed a filter, I can drag it out here, and I can add a filter and can wildcard or condition or tooltip or anything I can get start with, contains, exactly matches, and all those stuff. You can actually go ahead and do it. You can put certain conditions and all those you can do. Okay, now similarly, let me make it a bar. Okay, right now it's not going to make, we'll come back here. Let me make it as, okay, simple bar, and then we can remove all those. Let me clean it up a little bit, and let me say country. No, if I take country, let's go ahead and open call, and in the call we can have like, we have few more things. Let's see what all have we have, like name, and then in the name we can have talk time. Let's see. Okay, now talk time has went to color, so it is going to show you color. You take it back, talk time, let's put it into details. Okay, and you can actually go ahead and put it like this, and let me make it as labels also. Okay, so these become label now, and it is colors also. So these are the various stuff which is available in Tableau, which you can actually go ahead and play it around. And then what you can do is you can save it, and you can share it with your friends, with your colleagues, and you can analyze them together.